Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your chemistry teacher of class 10th. As we learned chapter number 1 to 10 in class 9, so today in our first lecture we will start from chapter number 11, hydrogen and water. Open page number 179. Chapter number 11, hydrogen and water. Our first topic is hydrogen. Hydrogen was discovered by Cavendish in 1766. Hydro means water and Gen means producer. It means hydrogen means water producer. Hydrogen is one of the most abundant element in the universe. Now the laboratory preparation of hydrogen. When hydrochloric acid is react with zinc metal, it forms zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. This laboratory preparation is discovered by Cavendish and he used hydrochloric acid with zinc and hydrogen gas is evolved. Industrial preparation of hydrogen. Industrially, hydrogen is prepared by different methods. The first method is called by passing steam over coke. It is also called coke steam process. When steam is passed over red hot coke at about 1000 degrees centigrade, a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen, which is called water gas, is produced. Water gas is very good fuel and it is also used in the preparation of methanol or methyl alcohol. From the water gas, hydrogen can be separated by two methods. First is called by liquefaction and the other is called by oxidation or Bosch process. First, separation method by liquefaction. When water gas is cooled up to minus 200 degrees centigrade, carbon monoxide liquefies and leaving behind hydrogen gas. And the traces of carbon monoxide gas is left in the mixture. Then the remaining mixture is treated with caustic soda. This is the formula of caustic soda, sodium hydroxide solution. The remaining traces of carbon monoxide react with sodium hydroxide solution to form sodium formate. HCOONA is the formula of sodium formate and it's leaving behind pure hydrogen gas. The second process of separation of hydrogen gas is called by oxidation process. It is also called Bosch process. This is the most suitable method for the separation of hydrogen gas. In this process, more steam is passed through water gas at 500 degrees centigrade in the presence of iron oxide, which is used as a catalyst. Carbon monoxide gas is in water gas oxidized to carbon dioxide, which is soluble in water under pressure and liberating pure hydrogen gas. The second industrial method for the preparation of hydrogen gas is called from natural gas. It is also called hydrocarbon steam process. Hydrogen is also obtained by passing steam over hydrocarbons such as methane, which have a formula CH4. Methane is the major constituent of natural gas. In the presence of nickel catalyst at 900 degrees centigrade, it produces water gas, which is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. And hydrogen gas can be separated from water gas by either of the above mentioned method. The third industrial preparation is by the thermal decomposition of methane. Hydrogen gas is commercially prepared also by the thermal decomposition of methane. When methane is heated above 700 degrees centigrade in the absence of air, methane decomposes into black carbon, carbon black and hydrogen gas. Carbon black is used in the rubber industry as a filler for the manufacturing of motor tires. The next method for the preparation of hydrogen gas is called by the electrolysis of water. Hydrogen gas is also prepared by the electrolysis of water when an electric current is passed through water in the presence of few drop of acid or base. Hydrogen gas is liberated at cathode and oxygen gas is a byproduct collect as at anode. But this process is very expensive. Now the physical properties of hydrogen gas. Number 1, hydrogen is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. हाइड्रोजन का कोई कलर नहीं होता, ना ही कोई उसकी स्मेल होती है, ना कोई टेस्ट होता है. Secondly, it is insoluble in water. It is highly inflammable gas and burns with blue flame. Hydrogen is absorbed on the surface of certain metals to make the surface sponge. It liquefies at minus 252 degrees centigrade and freezes at minus 259 degrees centigrade. Now the chemical properties of hydrogen. Number 1, decomposition of molecular hydrogen. Molecular hydrogen contains stable covalent bond and it is relatively inert at ordinary condition. Its bond dissociation energy is 104 kilocals per mole. Molecular hydrogen is break up into atomic hydrogen when 104 kilocals per mole is provided to it and it is break into atomic hydrogen. The second chemical property is a reducing agent. Hydrogen is act as a reducing agent. Hydrogen shows greater affinity for oxygen and reduces many metals such as copper oxide. It combines with copper oxides and it forms water and copper metal. It means it reduces copper oxide into copper and water is formed. The second example is tungsten oxide. When hydrogen is combined with tungsten oxide, it reduces tungsten oxide into tungsten and water is formed. The third chemical property is called hydrogenation reaction. The addition of hydrogen into the molecule of hydrogen is called hydrogenation reaction. When molecular compounds such as carbon monoxide and hydrogen are heated in the presence of zinc oxide or chromium oxide catalyst at 400 degrees centigrade, it gives addition products like methyl alcohol. The second example is when ethene react with hydrogen gas in the presence of catalyst nickel at 300 degrees centigrade, it changes into ethane. One bond in the ethene molecule is opened and it is changed into ethane. The hydrogen gas is added in the ethene molecule. The next chemical property of hydrogen is reactions with metals. Alkali metals like sodium, potassium and alkaline earth metals like calcium and barium reacts with hydrogen on heating to form ionic hydride. For example, when sodium react with hydrogen at 200 degrees centigrade, it forms sodium hydride. Same as when hydrogen react with calcium at 200 degrees centigrade, it forms calcium hydride. The next chemical property is reaction with nonmetals. When hydrogen react with nonmetals such as oxygen and nitrogen, it forms different additional products. Number 1, when hydrogen react with oxygen, it forms water molecule. And when hydrogen react with nitrogen, it is also a non-metal at 500 degrees centigrade and in the presence of catalyst, it forms ammonia, NH3. Uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. It is also used in the manufacture of vegetable ghee from edible oils. And it is used in the manufacture of tungsten bulb filament. It is also used for the purification of metals and for the preparation of water gas, which is used as a fuel. Hydrogen gas is also used in the weather balloons. Students, note down the today's homework. First, you will learn these questions and then write in your chemistry registers. Question number 1. Write laboratory preparation of hydrogen gas. Question number 2. Give 5 methods used for the industrial preparation of hydrogen gas with equations. Question number 3. Give 5 chemical properties of hydrogen gas with equations. Question number 5. Write uses of hydrogen gas. This is the end of today's lecture. Complete your work and submit it on time.